Hey everybody, it's Mark Yagi. Just a quick video. Today, the Trump media stock is plunging about 22%. It's called DJT now. It's got his Truth Social, and he says he's not selling any shares. And this stock has been on a remarkable run from 11 to, I don't know, almost 60, like 55 anyway. And today it's down to 41.67, so it's down about 10 bucks today. And here's a play if you're interested in this stock. Now, a lot of people think that Donald Trump is going to win the election, and if he does, then this stock supposedly should do well because that's where he's going to put all of his posts every day. He's still not posting to X, the former Twitter. So if you are interested in this stock, what I would do is I would take a look at, first of all, let's look at the chart. And the chart is, you can see it. It's gone up to $79, 6 months ago or whatever. But you see this big run from 1178 all the way up to, this level here, which is about 55. And you could see that it ran. Now that's a 5X, that's 500%. That would make your year, maybe make a couple years or 3 years. But you could see today, this is interesting. This is, I think, really cool. You see this little spot right there? That's called a gap. And this trade today has come back and exactly, practically to the penny, has filled that gap. I just find that amazing, right? It's like, okay, guys, we can't go higher until we go back and fill that gap. Let's go fill that gap and then we can move higher. So if you like the stock, here's the play. And I sometimes bash cash secured puts, but in this case, if you like this stock, you got a 22% pullback. It's unlikely that a lot of stocks are going to pull back 2 days in a row, 10, 20%, the same each day. So I think what happens is this stock, might kind of meddle around here, the $40 level, but you could put your own little stop loss by using a cash secured put. If you like the stock, you sell a put right around this area, 35, 36, something like that. Okay, let me show you these puts because it's pretty cool. So here are the puts, and you can look at them and you could see, all right, the stock is 41 bucks, something like that, and it could go down another 10%. And that gets you down to $37. So I would look at those 37s to say, you know what? Not only is 37 a little bit above the 200-day moving average. I think the 200 moving average is about 35. You could do the 35s. There's just only about, 90 cents in the 35s. So I would look at these 37s here, and you can see these 37s are trading right now. You could sell them for $1.48, and the computer does the math for you. So the maximum upside, you're not going to make that much money. You want the stock to go up, but you're really just going for that dollar. Well, I guess it's $1.43 here, and that's about a 3.48% return. For 1 day. So this expires. We're halfway or almost done with Wednesday. This is expiring on Friday. So, you can look at these and go, wow, this is cool. This expires November 1st. It says 1 day, but it's really 2 days. So you're looking at this, and if you could do it over and over again, it exaggerates the annualized return to 1,200%. But hey, that's the juice that we're after, is that $1.43. So let's say you do 1,000 shares. You're talking about making $1,430 in 2 days for a stock that you really don't have a lot of risk in, as long as you want to own it if it keeps dropping. Now, I don't like stocks that drop, but in this case, this is the perfect time to sell a cash secured put. Only 2 days left in the trade. It's just dropped 22 bucks. Some people are thinking it's a bargain, so they might run it back up. Yes, it could go all the way down to 37 for sure. But if you want to just pick up a little juice, this might be a good trade. Do your own research first. So you could get the cash secured put, and let's say you get it at 37. Now all of a sudden you're wearing this stock at 37 bucks. You could go out and sell the 40s for next week, or the 39s or the 38s, and start selling covered calls against them, the 39s, the 38s against them, and pick up even more juice as you wait for the stock to come back. Because remember, you're a bull on it. Now you could sell even a little bit out of the money thinking it's going to go back up, and you could really make money on this trade. Now, if it keeps going down, obviously it doesn't help, but it helps a little by offsetting the downside. Anyway, you get the concept. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.